ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 2025-26 ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರಿಂದ MCQ ಮತ್ತು fill in the blanks ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
The mass percentage of glucose in 10% means, so 10% means 10 grams of the glucose dissolved in 90 grams of water. So because we will get 10 plus 90 is equal to 100 grams. Next to second question I am going to solve. Which of the following element is liquid at a normal temperature? Liquid at a normal temperature. Mercury is the answer. So mercury melting point is equal to minus 38.83. So that's why it is available in liquid state at a normal temperature. Next question number 3 I am going to explain. The reagent used in Sandmeyer reaction is cuprous chloride and HCl. As you know that diazonium salts can give chlorobenzene as a product. Next question number 4 I am going to explain now. The main natural source of acetic acid is vinegar is the natural source of acetic acid. Next fifth question I am going to explain. The reaction of aniline which produces Zwitter ion as major product is, so which one? Option C, sulfonation is the reason. Aniline react with H2SO4, then sulfonilic acid is formed and it leads to the formation of the Zwitter ion. Next to question number 6 I am going to explain. The method used to separation of isomeric products obtained when phenol react with dilute HNO3. Dilute HNO3 and phenol when react each other, we will get orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. They can be separated by steam distillation process. Next to question number 7. The ligand which forms more stable coordination complex is, so option B is the correct answer because it is a chelating ligand, it can forms the rings. Question number 8 I am explaining. Which of the following groups when present at para position increase the basic strength of aniline? Correct answer is option C, NH2. It can act like a electron donating group due to presence of lone pair of electrons, and it can increase the basic strength due to plus R or plus M effect. Next question number 9 I am explaining. In which of the following acid vitamin C is? Ascorbic acid is vitamin C. Question number 10. The best reagent useful for separation and purification of aldehyde from ketone. So the correct answer is option B, sodium hydrogen sulfide. This question we can explain from the NCERT textbook. The reaction between carbonyl compounds and NaHSO3. NaHSO3 can produce as bisulfide addition compound. It is crystalline in nature. And see the last point from this, these are useful for separation and purification of the aldehydes. Now question number 11. Statement 1. If on mixing the two liquids the solution becomes hot, implies shows negative deviation from Raoult's law. Correct statement. Solutions which shows negative deviation accompanied by the decrease in volume, that is also correct statement. So therefore option 1, both statement 1 and 2 are correct answers. Next I am going to solve question number 12. See, it is a matching type of question. For first one, actually it is Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Ziegler-Natta catalyst is used in the polymerization of the ethene. So option C is the correct one. For this C is the correct one. Means next one, PDCLT is used in Walker's process. Nickel is used in the hydrogenation of fat. V2O5 is used in contact process. CADB is the correct answer. CADB option B. This is the correct answer. Cumene hydroperoxide on hydrolysis of dilute acids gives. So the correct answer phenol and acetone. Phenol and acetone is the correct answer. Next to question number 14. Among the following cells, the cell used in Apollo space program for providing electric power is, The correct answer is hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. Question number 15 I am solving now. So question number 15, if you want to solve first, so see the experiment number 4. Experiment number 4 divided by experiment number 2. In these two experiments, concentration of the B is constant. Then constant. The next one, concentration of A, how it is going to change? See this. Rate is equal to K into concentration of A power X. X is the order we have to find it. Now rate, how it is going to change? Rate is equal to, in fourth experiment, 2.88 into 10 power minus 1 divided by, in second experiment how much it is? 7.2 into 10 power minus 2 is equal to, so in fourth experiment the concentration of A is 0.4. In second experiment concentration of A is equal to 0.2 whole power x. Then if we simplify this one, how much we'll get? After the simplification we are going to get, it is 4 is equal to 2 power x, and 2 power x is equal to 2 power 2, then x is equal to 2. It means with respect to the A, order is equal to 2. Next, in the third experiment and first experiment, third experiment and first experiment, the concentration of A is constant. Now I am going to calculate order of reaction with respect to B. I am going to calculate concentration of A is equal to constant. So in the third experiment, what is the concentration they given and what is the rate they given? Once you have to check. See, in the third experiment, concentration 0.4 with respect to B upon 0.1, it is equal to 2.4 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 6 into 10 power minus 3. See, if we simplify this, how much we'll get? So power y we have to take, whole power y. 2 power 2y is equal to, if we simplify this, 2 power 2 we will get. 2y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So with respect to the B, order of the reaction is 1. Therefore the correct option for this, option C, is the correct answer. Let us see the filling the blanks. Question number 16. The polyhalogen compound used in anesthetic during surgery was chloroform, CHCl3 chloroform. Nucleic acids are long chain polymers of nucleotides. Wanda factor for KCl. KCl is a strong electrolyte dissociated into K plus Cl minus 2 is the answer. Next, the number of hydroxyl groups present in glycerol equal to 3. This is the structure of the glycerol. It is a trihydric alcohol and it contains total number of OH groups are equal to 3. The transition metals are known to make interstitial compounds. For formation of interstitial compounds makes the transition metal more hard.